when you are working with Git environment, then basically the first thing you must need to add this information. You must need to make sure that Git will understand that who you are. So there is one command, basically 2 lines of command, this thing, and there is also password, but it will ask you the password. So these 2 things you must need to configure. So the command is git config, then dash global, then we have to mention user.name, that means the username, and also git config global user email, this thing. So these 2 things you must need to configure, and then after that during push or pull, sometimes you may need to like put the password, or you can initialize the password at the beginning so that next time it will not ask. So in this video I'm going to show you like before doing anything you must need to configure this thing, and how we can configure those things. We have to do this thing, and this video is applicable for any versions of operating system like Windows or Mac. I'm using Mac computer. For Mac it's a terminal thing, and for Windows it's a like PowerShell, something like that. But the thing is that it's the like command prompt, right? You just need to write the command and you must need to execute. So as I'm using the Mac computer, so I'm going to use open terminal. So this is the terminal window. For Windows you will use similar window where you can type the command and you can execute. Okay, now the first command. So here it is mentioning like git config global username, this thing. So we need to mention this thing. So I'm going to type git, then config, then space dash global, then username user.name. So I'm using like FewSteps, my username. So I'm going to type FewSteps like this. Okay, so this is my username. Then we have to hit the return key of our keyboard, and very shortly this thing is done. Now we just need to mention our email address also. So we have to type the same type, like similar type of command, but there is a small difference here. Instead of username, it should be user email. And now we need to type the email address. So here we don't need to use any like quotation, because email is continuous. There is no space in between the email address, right? So I'm going to type the email address, hello fewsteps.email at icloud.com. So this is my email address, so I just typed it. So the username there is a space, that's why I use this thing, and the git config global user email is like this. So now we can hit the return key to configure this thing, and now it's ready. And now when we'll try to push the thing, I mean when you try to push any code in the git, basically at that time you need to type the password. So this is the first thing you mentioned, you need to mention to git before doing anything. So this is the global flag I mentioned, so every time it will use this thing, and that's it. In this way we can mention git about us, and then we can start pushing or pulling our code.